Hi, my name is Heather Ford, and I am a traffic attorney based out of New Orleans, also known as the Traffic Ticket Lady. And one things I get asked about are people call because they have a suspended license, and maybe they don't live in Louisiana anymore, but they're trying to get a license in their home state, and they're trying to resolve the flags that are holding up their license. So essentially, there is a national database where states communicate with each other. So if you have a bunch of traffic tickets in Louisiana that are holding up your Louisiana license, then and you now live in North Carolina, you probably won't be able to get a license. And I've found that I'm getting more calls because the states are doing a better job being able to talk to each other. Technology is getting better, and so all of a sudden, tickets that are like 10 or 15 years old that are out there are all of a sudden become an issue when you go to renew your license, and so you have to address it. Um, so it just depends on what kind of ticket it is. I mean, in most instances, if you can keep a moving violation off your record, it's well worth it. So if you have a ticket in Louisiana, but you live in North Carolina, and it doesn't make sense for you to come in the state, of course, in most cases like that, hire an attorney. It's not that expensive. It's probably going to be much cheaper than paying that ticket and letting that moving violation hit your driving record. Also, you just never know if it will be an issue in the future. Let's say if you want to drive an Uber, if you work a job where you have any type of driving as part of duties, sometimes they will do a check for their insurance purposes. And all of a sudden, this ticket from 10 years ago that was no big deal, but you paid because you're trying to get your license. All of a sudden, it can be problematic. If you ever have any questions whether or not a ticket you received, particularly out of Louisiana, would be considered a moving violation or not, and just want some points and maybe someone to point you in the right direction, you can always shoot me a text at 504-535-LADY, or that's 504-535-5239. Thank you and have a great day.